What's up, guys? Today we are going to be teaching you how to wall ride with the hoverboards. And I am here today with Bomber. Let's get into the video. Alright, so what you want to do?
Honest, I don't
get your
even know
hoverboard.
how
I
to.
don't care how you hold it. It shouldn't matter. I'm not even completely sure how you're supposed to hold it or not. But you just gain speed. Hold up. You gain speed. Try not to get airtime when hitting the hand on the ground. But then once you get over here, this is the easiest spot to start, and then you just tilt your hoverboard up at an angle a little bit. You can do it from any part of this map.
I did it. I did it.
Here's my board from earlier. You did it, bro?
Yeah, I did it.
Alright, come back over here. Alright, now we're going to be showing you how to do it on the other map. Come on, guys. Ah! I didn't mean to go flying there.
I made it.
So did I, but I went flying. Alright, come on. So I hold my hoverboard like this, and then I turn like this, if you're wondering how I turn. But, I'm going to show you how to get on that wall over there. It works for every wall, but that wall is the easiest for me. But there's a bug, you will go flying on one part of it for me. But, so, let's get into this part, and you can just, and then you turn. You continue, you can accelerate as much as you want. And then you can, basically the same thing for the other map. My board likes to knock me off on that one, but it works for any map. Well, not any map, but not what I meant. But any wall. Bomber, where'd you go? There you are.
I want to try something.
Let me just bounce up. Hold up. Bounce up. Let go. 360. Ah, I tried grabbing it. I didn't have enough airtime. Ah! It didn't let me grab it. But anyway. Bomber.
Yeah.
Come on. That is it for this video. And we will see you next time. I'm not telling you you have to, but like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Want to say anything?
It's checkered.
That's all you want to say?
Yeah.
Alright. Bye-bye.